Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you 3 simple but elegant home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree mirrors. Let's get started. For my first DIY, I'm using 6 of these square Dollar Tree mirrors and 10 of these 5-inch wood boards that I ordered from Amazon. The first thing I did was tape 6 of the 5-inch wood boards together. Next, I added wood glue to the outside corners, and then I added just a bit of hot glue to hold my design in place. "30 minutes later, I carefully removed the tape, and I also used wood glue to add Dollar Tree wood dowels to my design as well. While that dried, I used more of the wood glue to adhere my last 4 wood boards together. It's been about an hour, so I'm going to use a combination of hot glue and wood glue to adhere both pieces together. Next, I'm cutting away the excess with my small miter saw and pruning shears. I then lightly sanded and added 1 coat of black enamel paint. Once my paint was completely dry, I used generous amounts of hot glue to attach my 5-inch mirrors. To enhance my design, I decided to add 1 row of these small crystal rhinestones, as well as these 4-inch beveled mirrors that I picked up from my local craft store. To complete the look, I added fall florals that I picked up on sale from Michael's, and here's how DIY number 1 turned out. For DIY number 2, I'm using 14 of the Dollar Tree 5-inch round mirrors, 10 more of those 5-inch wood boards, and Dollar Tree craft sticks. Instead of purchasing 5-inch round wood boards, I've decided to use the square wood boards that I already had. So the first thing I did was use one of the round mirrors to trace a circle on the square wood board. I then cut away the excess. Once I had all 10 5-inch circles, I placed them down and arranged them, and then I used generous amounts of hot glue and craft sticks to hold my design in place. Now that I've painted the perimeter of my wood circles and the paint is completely dry, I then removed the black tabs and stickers from my mirrors, and I used hot glue to attach them to my design. I then used Gorilla Strong adhesive and a small amount of hot glue to attach 4 additional mirrors on top. Adding the second layer of mirrors will add dimension, but it'll also make the design much more sturdy. I also found these small acrylic mirrors at Walmart for about $5, and I'll add these to the design as well. I allowed my design to dry for a full 48 hours, and here's how DIY number 2 turned out. And finally, for DIY number 3, I'm using 4 of the 5x7-inch Dollar Tree picture frames and 6 of the square mirrors. I removed the contents from the frames, including the black metal tabs. I then cut out 3 pieces of Dollar Tree foam board that were the exact size of 2 of the frames. And I cut one of those 3 pieces in half. I used generous amounts of hot glue to adhere 2 of the frames to my foam, and then a strong adhesive to add 3 of the 5-inch square mirrors on top. Instead of waiting for this to dry to do the opposite side, I assembled that side away from the foam and I allowed both pieces to dry overnight. The following day, I made sure that the sides of my design were as smooth as possible, and then I added some reflective paper that I purchased from Amazon. In hindsight, I should have added the reflective paper before adding my frames and mirrors. I've never been a huge fan of reflective paper, so I'll likely cover the sides with some acrylic mirror, but here's how DIY number 3 turned out. I think that all 3 projects turned out beautiful, but what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.